Hi friends, you know, in the last video we discussed about the positions and the strings, position of the strings and the string indexing. So we were aware of that if we have a variable and a string in it, like variable is lang and string is Python, then we know the indexing, how to index particular value or particular character in that particular string, right? So today we will learn about what is slicing of a string. Slicing of a string means when we cut it half or cut it in some certain manner that it fulfills our requirement. So let's see about slicing. So suppose I want to print something which starts from P over here in this string and ends at T. Before that, let me give you the syntax of that slicing part. So the syntax will be, it will be a start argument with a colon and stop argument, right? But the stop argument will be having -1 with it. So the end argument -1 will be the print of string. So suppose I want to print something called P to T. So what will be my syntax? Then it will be something called print. In brackets I will be giving lang, and as we were using earlier, the square brackets, and my start argument will be the 0th value because P starts from the 0th index, and my end value will be 3 because I want it till T, right? PYT I want to print. So the syntax says stop argument -1. Stop argument will be H. So it will be 3. So 3 minus 1 will be 2 and it will be T. So let's execute it and see. Okay, I think, yeah, see, I got PYT, right? I'll execute it for 4 for you as you have not seen it. So see, PYTH. The stop argument was 4, means O minus 1, 3. Okay, so this is the first type. Suppose now I have the syntax like start argument and the stop argument. Suppose I don't want to give any arguments, then what will happen? Let me do it for you. Print lang and no arguments, but remember column needs to be there. Let's execute it and see. I guess it should give me a full string. See, I received a full string. So if you don't give any argument, it would be it will start from the 0th element to the end element, right? Now suppose I want to give something called only one argument. So one argument, let's start with I'm giving only the start argument. So let me give a start argument in over here. In print I'm using lang, and in lang square brackets, and the start argument should be, suppose I will give 1 as a start argument and no end argument, or I'll give start argument as 3 and no end argument. What do you think what it will be? So it will be like H, third argument, it starts from 3, 4 and 5, means HON. Let's execute it and see HON came, right? So this is the way we gave this first argument but not the last argument. Now as we are doing this, let's just try with the last argument only. So it's print and the lang, and in the brackets I just want to give the last argument, so it will be, let's suppose I'm giving 5. Now what it will be, I'll execute it and we'll see. Okay, it will come till O, because the fifth argument means stop argument -1. So fifth argument minus 1 is 4. It will come till O. I can try it till 4, so it will come till H. And what if I try it for the first argument is 3, or shall we say the first argument is 0 and the last argument is 4, right? Or we can try on this particular part. Suppose we have the first argument is 0, or the first argument will be suppose 3, and I want to print it till in the middle. in the middle part. So the first argument will be 3 and the last argument is 4. So what it will print? It will only print h. So the last argument is stop argument minus 1. Let's try it out. See, only h came. Now if you want to print o also, then you have to give the last argument as 5. We'll execute it and this ho. Suppose you want to print till n, then last argument should be 6. So here it is HON. Now here you also can use the negative arguments. So I want you to try the negative arguments by yourself. So this is it for the video, for today's session or today's video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.